you? What did you catch? I hardly think that you've got plans. Lying in your bedroom, standing up. I'm standing down. Would you call me, please? Or something elegant. A single rose in your bouquet, sticking out as if to say, okay, I miss your face. Would you call me, please? You bleed in the grace from your open waist now. Hallelujah on a stranger's face. I hate for you to grow into a real life carnival ride. So if you wanna know, I'll ask you. If you wanna know, I'll ask you. If you wanna know, I'll ask you right away. Are you still up north? The winter is no cliche, peeking through the cracks in window panes. Are you awake? Would you call me, please? The moon is just a rock. Funny how the textbooks say love and science are just one the same. I just can't stay, I just can't stay. I hate that things happen this way. Bleed in the cracks from your open waist now.